In this video, I will explain how to make money using the new Printify x Adidas product line. These partnerships open up some awesome opportunities for anyone looking to start their own business or add to an existing one. Before we jump in, make sure to create your Printify account using the link in the description below. It is totally free and the best way to get started. So, how can you make money with Printify and Adidas? It's simple, by creating and selling custom Adidas designed products. With this partnership, you get access to high quality Adidas items like t-shirts, hoodies, and more. All of which you can customize with your own designs. This means you can offer your customers premium products that they already know and love, but with your own unique twist. As you can see, you can add your own design to this sweatshirt, for example. So let's break down how this works step by step. First, you will need to come up with your designs. Whether you're an experienced designer or just starting out, this is the most important part because your designs is what sets your products apart. You can use a tool like Canva, Photoshop, or even hire a freelancer on a program like Upwork or Fiverr to create something unique for your brand or your t-shirts. Think about your target audience. So what do they love? What do they want to wear or use? The better you know your customer, the better your designs will connect with them. Once your designs are ready, you can upload it to Printify and choose the Adidas products you want to sell. Maybe this sweatshirt over here, or maybe this t-shirt, right? So maybe it's a simple t-shirt with a bold graphic, or perhaps you want to offer a sleek, stylish hoodies. There are plenty of products options to choose from. What's cool is that you don't need to worry about holding any inventory, because we are working with print on demand. Everything is printed on demand. When a customer places an order, Printify handles the printing and shipping directly to the customer itself. So you do not have to buy any stock, which is a great advantage of print demand. So now let's talk about how this can make you money. Since Adidas is a premium brand, you can sell these items at a higher price point compared to other generic products like the normal Printify t-shirts. People recognize the quality of Adidas, and they are often willing to pay more for a trusted name. For example, if you are selling custom designed Adidas hoodies, you can charge more than you would for a basic hoodie, and that higher price translates into a bigger profit margin for you. So let's break it down with a quick example. Suppose you create an Adidas t-shirt and the cost to produce it through Printify is $25. You list that t-shirt in your store for $50. Every time someone buys it, you make $25 in profit. The same idea applies to other products like hoodies, joggers, or even backpacks. Because of the brand recognition, it's easier to justify a higher price, which means more profit for you. But here is the key. It's not about just setting a price and hoping for the best. You need to actively market your products. Take advantage of social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, where you can show off your designs. Consider offering promotions or discounts to get people excited. And don't forget about paid advertising if it fits your budget. Facebook ads, Google ads, or even influencer partnerships can help boost your visibility and get your products in front of the right people. Another tip to keep in mind is creating limited edition or exclusive designs. This adds a sense of urgency for customers to buy, knowing that they can't get the product forever. Limited runs of certain designs can make your products feel more desirable and help drive sales faster. So to wrap it all up, Printify x Adidas offers a fantastic opportunity for you to make money without needing to invest in an inventory or worry about logistics. You create the designs, choose the products, and market them to your specific audience. Printify handles the rest, from printing to shipping, allowing you to focus on growing your business and selling these tees. With the power of a premium brand like Adidas behind you, you are set up to attract more customers and make a solid profit. So again, if you want to get started with Printify, just check out the link in the description below to sign up for free. You can also check this video to check how Printify exactly works. So I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.